Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we will discuss the story, a very interesting story named The Little Round Red House by Caroline Sherwin Bailey. So as the name indicates, something very special, very interesting. Okay. I am quite sure that all of you will be very happy to listen to the story and to read it. Such an interesting story we have to discuss. Very simple also. Okay, so the incident mentioned in the story took place in October, and it is mentioned it was a Saturday. What's the specialty of October? October also is very cold and rainy season, especially in western countries and all. It's the beginning of the winter season. So it was, and the specialty of the day is mentioned, which are the words used to describe the day: cold, rainy, and windy day. 3 words: cold, rainy, and windy. So we also have experienced similar days, and we know that for children especially it will be very boring such a day because they cannot go outside, they cannot play, etc. So the narrator in the story also was feeling bored. The boy was feeling bored. So what did he do? In the case of children, if they have any problems, they will tell their parents, especially to mother. So this boy also told his mother. What did he tell? Okay, he was very bored. Then mother suggested something in order to be free, in order to get rid of this boredom. What did she suggest? Draw pictures with the crayons. So he can draw pictures using his crayons, new crayons. But the boy told that he had drawn a number of pictures and he was feeling very bored. Then mother suggested something else. What was that? Read library books. For that also the boy told that he had read all the library books many times. He was feeling bored. Then the third thing was suggested. What was that? Play with the toys. There also the boy had played with all his toys, and after some time he became fed up with it. He was feeling very bored. So mother couldn't suggest anything new. So it is mentioned the boy had done all these things but feeling bored. All these things means he had drawn pictures, he had played with his toys, he had read library books. Then mother told that while she was a small girl, or while she was the age of this boy, she also was bored. Not only this narrator, his mother also was bored while she was a small girl, and the boy became interested because it was a new information for him that his mother also was feeling bored. So that time what did his mother do? Mother went to her mother and told that she was bored. So mother helped her. That is the narrator's grandmother, we can say, his mother's mother. What did mother tell this girl, small girl? To search for the stranger's little house. She was given a new task. What was the task? To find out a strange little house. And this mother told that, okay, I will suggest the same thing to you if you are interested. Because while she was a small girl, She was very much interested to find this little house, and she told that, okay, if you are interested, you can also find out this strange little house. That's what she told. So the boy was ready to find out the strangest house. So mother asked him to dress up properly to go outside. Why it is mentioned dress up properly? Because we have seen the specialty of the day: cold, rainy, windy day. So you should be very careful, because as it is cold and rainy, you may get fever and cold. So you should protect yourself from cold and rain. So what all things he should do: put on raincoat, hat, mittens, boots, etc. That means he should prepare himself to go outside and to be safe. Then walk up the block and down the block and around the block to look for the house. It is, he can find out the house in that locality. What should the boy do? Walk up the block, down the block and around the block. And the specialty of the house was mentioned. Very special house. It was a little house, not so big, round in shape, red in color, no doors and windows. Have you seen houses with no doors and windows? We know that if a house is with no doors and windows, it will be of no use. You cannot get inside. So this house also had no doors and windows. A chimney on the top, even though no door, no window, chimney on the top, and a star in the middle. Do you think that it is a strange house? No doubt, it's very strange. So, and also mother told it is not too far. There is no need of going to distant places. You won't even cross the street, but keep your ears open, eyes open and look. It is somewhere near. No need of even crossing the street. But what should he do? Keep eyes open and ears open. So the boy was very much thrilled, because he thought that it was a special house, so he was sure that he would find it out. So the boy went outside. So he was looking everywhere, he was looking very closely, and he saw different houses. It is mentioned houses painted white, blue, yellow, green. That means all colors he could see. Okay, a red house also, but it was not round in shape and it had doors and windows. Mother told that it was red but round in shape, no doors, no windows, chimney on the top and star in the middle. So it was not the house. So the boy couldn't find the house and he was waiting on the road, and then a little mail truck pulled up, the van that brings mail, letters. So we know that the mail carrier or the postman, they will be familiar with all the houses of that locality, because as part of their job they visit these houses quite often. So a postman, a mail carrier will be familiar with all the houses. So the mail carrier saw the boy and he asked, "Oh boy, are you lost? Are you lost your way?" And the boy told his address, and the mail carrier told that, "Okay, you are not lost, it is somewhere very near." And then the boy asked him whether he knew all the houses of that locality, and the mail carrier told that he was familiar with all the houses there. The mail carrier knew all the houses in that locality, but couldn't help the boy to find out the house which he was trying to find. Even though he was familiar with each and every house, while the boy told the specialities of the house. What are the specialities? Red, round, little, no doors, no windows, chimney on top, star in the middle. The mail carrier couldn't think of such a house. So he couldn't help the boy. So the boy continued his search, but no, the male character couldn't help. The boy himself continued. Then what happened? A police car came that way. Police car. And in the case of the police car also, this policeman, the police officer, was in duty of the locality. So he went round and round the place many times. It was his duty. So the police officer also knew all the houses of that neighborhood. So the boy asked the police officer, what did he ask? Oh sir, can you please help me to find out a house? The police officer was very confident because knew all the houses of that locality. But while the boy told the specialities of the house, what are the specialities? Little round red house, no doors, no windows, chimney on top, star in the middle. The police officer also couldn't help the boy. So the police officer also, the police van also, car also went away. Again the boy continued his search and tried hard but couldn't find the house. So the boy looked each and every house but couldn't find the house which he was looking for. So he was a little disappointed, but he was not ready to give up. Then he thought of a person named Mr. Fetzer, an old man who was living in that locality, and the boy knew that he had lived there longer than anyone. He was living there for a long period, so he was familiar with every house. So at last he decided to go to Mr. Fetzer and ask his help. So he reached there where Mr. Fetzer's house, and what was he doing? Mr. Fetzer was packing apples, and he understood that the boy was a little tired because we know that the boy had walked a lot, walked up and down looking for the house and all. So Mr. Fetzer could understand the boy was very tired. So what did he do? He offered the boy apple juice. And if you are so thirsty, if you get apple juice, I know that you all will be very happy. So no doubt, this narrator, this boy was also very happy. He tasted the apple juice and then asked Mr. Fetzer about this special house. A house, red in color, little round shaped house with no doors, no windows, chimney on top and star in the middle. And what was the response of Mr. Fetzer? He smiled. He smiled. What does it show? He knew the house because he was living there for a long period. So he knew the house. He smiled and told that once your mother also came to me in search of this special house. So we know that mother had told him. While she was a small girl, she went in search of a little house. And his mother also had reached Mr. Fetzer, and it was Mr. Fetzer who helped his mother to find out this house. So the farmer pointed to his orchards upon a little hill. On the opposite side there was a small hill. He pointed there. That means if you go there, if you go to the top of the hill, you can find out that house. Red little round house with no doors, no windows, chimney on top and star in the middle. So the boy was very anxious. So what did he do? He ran to the hill, stood under one of the apple trees. It was an apple orchard, apple trees were there. He stood there looking around. Then there was a gentle wind blowing, and a red apple fell down and landed at his feet. So the boy was very happy. He took the apple and looked closely. Mother had told him, look closely, open your ears, open your eyes, look closely. So the boy looked closely, and he understood that this was the special house his mother had asked him to find. It was not a real house. It was this red apple, because we know that it's red in color round in shape, no doors, no windows, a chimney on top, and a star in the middle, but he couldn't find out the star. So he ran to his mother. The boy had spotted all the special features of the house but couldn't see the star. He could find out all the other features, the color, the shape, no doors, no windows, chimney, but stars. He couldn't see the stars. What did mother do? Mother took a knife, cut the apple and showed him the star. Which are the stars there? The seeds in the. Okay, so this is the story of the little red round house. Isn't it very interesting? Okay, very interesting. There's nothing difficult. Such a simple story. And now what you have to do is, you got the idea, you got the story, but you have to read the story many times. And also you have to complete the side questions. Okay, I hope that all of you will do it. Read the story. Okay, and learn the words. Do the side questions. Okay, we'll see you next day. Thank you.